AudioJungle.
There is a continuous cycle of interrelationship between a community and its physical environment that causes the formation of complex and permanent relationship. So, an ecosystem can be defined as an overall integration of the whole mosaic of interacting organisms and their physical environment in particular areas. An ecosystem includes biotic factors like producer, consumers, decomposers, and abiotic factors like soil, rock, water, heat, light, etc. The factors indicate a biological community of particular area. A biological community can be divided into producer, consumer, and decomposer on the basis of flow of energy in the ecosystem. Producers are those living organisms of the ecosystem which are capable of synthesizing their own food from inorganic compound. For example, grasses, trees, aquatic green plants, etc. Consumers are the heterotrophs of the ecosystem which feed on other living organisms. They are divided into three categories: primary consumers, secondary consumers, tertiary consumers. Decomposers are also called saprophytic organisms. Some microorganisms feed on dead and decaying organic matters and decompose them into simpler compounds. These compounds are then utilized by the producers for the synthesis of their food. So decomposers are responsible for the regular cycling of the materials in the ecosystem. There is a close relationship between producer-consumer and decomposers. All the living organisms fall under biotic factor. The producers or plants use abiotic factors to make or synthesize their food. The herbivores or primary consumers feed on green plants. The herbivores are eaten by carnivores. When these living components die, they are converted into simpler form with the help of decomposers and get mixed on the soil. When they are mixed in the soil, they are absorbed by the green plants for their growth and development. In this way, the phenomenon occurs in nature continuously. In the food chain, producers are the base in ecosystem. Consumers get nutrition from plants and ultimately it reaches up to decomposers. Thus nutrition reaches up to higher trophic level from producers. Thus transfer of food energy from producer to consumers and consumers to decomposers by the process of eating and being eaten is known as food chain. In the food chain each source of food energy is named as trophic level.